Hello, Super Writers. Our target skill for today is I can use exact verbs in my narrative sentences. Let's practice together. Yesterday, we started talking about exact verbs. They give us a clear picture about what our character, the animal or the person in the sentence, is doing. In this first sentence, the cat ate the cat food. Is there a better verb, a more exact verb that I could use? I could say the cat chomped the cat food. That gives my reader a better picture about how the cat is eating the cat food. Let's look at the next sentence. The monkey moved through the trees. Is there a better verb, a more exact verb that I could use in this sentence? How does the monkey move through the trees? I could say the monkey swung through the trees. That gives my reader a better picture about what my monkey is doing. Today, boys and girls, you are going to brainstorm your narrative writing. The prompt for this week is, you just adopted a baby, The first thing that you teach it to do is, Write about your baby animal learning a new skill. So first graders, you get to pick. Let's read my example to give us a better idea about what you can write in your very own story this week. My baby elephant. Yesterday, a baby elephant wandered into my yard. I decided to keep him as my pet. I wanted to teach him to take a bath all by himself. First, I showed him how to fill up his trunk with water by slurping water into a pool noodle like it was a trunk. Next, I sprinkled the water over my head like a shower. Then, it was the baby elephant's turn to try. He gulped up a large amount of water with his trunk and raised his trunk up high. I was so surprised when he sprayed me with the water. I guess he needs a little bit more practice taking a bath by himself. So in my story, boys and girls, I've underlined where I changed regular verbs into more exact verbs to give my reader a better picture about what the subject of the sentence, the noun, the person or the animal is doing. So now, boys and girls, it's your turn to begin brainstorming your story. You just adopted a baby, The first thing that you teach it to do is, Write about your baby animal learning a new skill. What kind of baby animal would you like to have as a pet? What would you teach it? I cannot wait to read your ideas. Have fun, first graders.